Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we can create our profile backlink and also we can list our businesses on that website. Okay, and this website can able to drive a massive of the traffic on your website. So that's why I have considered this website for the backlinking purpose. Okay, so the website name is webwiki.com. So you guys can see search engine with website review. Actually these websites are also the search engine, so where you guys can search anything, and if your website are able to appear in this website, so you guys can drive massive of the traffic on your website. Okay, so you guys can see this website having 77 domain rating and the traffic 125.9k total visitors this website having. Okay, and the traffic from mostly USA, India, UK, Andorra, Andorra and Canada. So this website having mostly traffic from that kind of country. So if you guys can want to attract a drive traffic from that kind of country, so you guys have to create backlink on that website, and your backlink it should be going to index very highly. So that's why we can going to create our backlink. Okay, so there is an option to you guys can firstly if you guys can want to create if your businesses are some other countries, you guys have to pick your preferred country, and after that you guys have to do there is an option to add website. You guys have to click the website button, and there you guys can fill your all information. Okay, so I have added my website URL. There is an option you guys can choose your category: shopping, social network, science, news, healthcare, finance, social network and internet, and you guys have to choose your title: recruitment agency in Canada. And also we can going to generate description for this keyword. I can provide you with a title, sorry, keyword, company name, client recruiters. You have to description for them, and I can going to add my services. Give half of this content our services is this: remove bullets, remove bullets point, service, our service location, founded year is 2015. So you guys can see within the within the 1 to 2 minutes I have generated a fresh profile content for this listing. So you guys can see we stand behind our placement with 12-month replacement guarantee. Okay, So we have generated our content. I can going to add, so you guys can see we have added, and there you guys can add your email ID. Then you guys have to choose your addresses and other things, and there you guys have to add your website URL, and you guys can acknowledge the terms and condition. Once you guys can fill all the information, then you guys have to click for the add your website button. Okay, so you guys can see your website has been successfully submitted, and there is a option, there is a URL, your website landing page URL. So you guys have to click this one, and you guys can see this is your landing page URL, and this is your listings. Okay, so you guys have to this is your website URL, and I can go to show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see this is 100% no follow backlink. So we can consider for the traffic purpose, and also this website having a great authority. So if our URL are listed on that website, so it 100% and guaranteely it can be transfer a authority to your website. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, so I can also provide my social details on a description section where you guys have to found me. And if you guys can want to help me something, and if I'm doing something valuable for your life, if uh, so you guys have to hit the subscribe button and like button, and please share, please do something comments on this video, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you guys. So I hope you guys can understand. I'm expecting to you guys can help me something. Okay guys, so bye bye, take care.